You feel like you got nowhere else to go. No, I hold you till the sun comes in the morning light. Yeah, I'll keep you safe, I'll never let you go. I'll never let you go. I'll never let you go.
So this is our room. So this is the bedroom, and besides there's a living room, a tiny, I wouldn't say tiny, but yeah. And the bathroom, and oh, they got a big mirror, great. And then there's a walk-in closet. And then it's the bedrooms. This is today's outfit, and we're going island hopping today. Having breakfast first. Yeah. So this is breakfast. I got the pancakes, waffles, salad, omelets, and bacon. But this bacon, I think is more authentic because it's not the red one. And I got a cup of coffee. Hey guys, see?
cho ngồi bên đây bạn